Namaste, my name is Radha Singh. I am from New Delhi, India, and I am currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in computer science. It's nice to meet you, Jack.
Hi, Radha. Nice to meet you too. I'm from California, and I'm studying business administration. So, what brought you to the US?
I came here to study and learn more about American culture. I have always been fascinated by the diversity and vibrancy of the US, and I wanted to experience it for myself.
That's really cool. I have always been interested in Indian culture too. I have read a lot about it, but I would love to hear about it from someone who actually grew up there. What is it like to live in India?
India is a very diverse and complex country. There are so many different languages, religions, and traditions, and each region has its own unique culture. In general, Indians are very friendly and welcoming people. We place a lot of value on family, respect for elders, and hospitality.
That's interesting. What about food? What are some of your favorite Indian dishes?
Oh, I love Indian food. There are so many delicious dishes to choose from. Some of my favorites are chicken tikka masala, butter chicken, and biryani, and of course, there are many vegetarian options as well, like palak paneer and chana masala.
I have tried some of those dishes at Indian restaurants here in the US, and they are really good. But I'm sure they are even better in India. Have you tried any American food yet?
Yes, I have tried some American food, like hamburgers and pizza. They are definitely different from Indian food, but I like them. I also tried mac and cheese for the first time the other day, and it was really good.
That's great. Speaking of food, do you like to cook?
Yes, I love to cook. In fact, one of my hobbies is trying out new recipes and experimenting with different spices and flavors. I also enjoy baking, especially cakes and cookies.
That's impressive. I'm not much of a cook myself, but I do like to eat. Maybe you can teach me how to make some Indian dishes sometime.
I would be happy to. Cooking is a great way to learn about a culture and its traditions, and Indian cuisine is known for its rich flavors and spices, so I think you would enjoy it.
Definitely. And speaking of learning about cultures, what are some other cultural activities or traditions that you enjoy in India?
Well, one tradition that is very important in India is Diwali, the festival of lights. It is a celebration of good over evil and light over darkness, and it involves lighting diyas or candles, decorating homes with colorful rangolis, and exchanging sweets and gifts with friends and family. It's a really beautiful and festive occasion.
That sounds amazing. We don't really have anything like that in the US, at least not on that scale. We do have Halloween and Thanksgiving, but they are quite different.
Yes, I have heard about those holidays. Halloween is all about dressing up in costumes and trick or treating, right?
Yes, that's right. It's mostly for kids, but some adults like to dress up and have parties too.